another video, and today I'm finna talk about this app that is like auto scrolls your videos. So I just found about it like last night, and I went to like it literally works while you like when I went to sleep and I woke up this morning. I had so many points. Or just have to download, but you get what I'm saying. Like it's a pretty good app. Let me show you what app I'm talking about. This app is called Easy Scroll, and see, I use it on another phone. I have that account on another phone, and I just downloaded the app on that phone last night, and it was. Sorry, I was doing something, so I'm just out of breath. I was just doing a little exercise. So I'm finna show you how this app works. So this is what you want to do: download the app, blah blah blah. Do that, accept that, turn on permission and stuff. I think you should do it 2 times if your phone a little different. Yeah. Okay, I don't know. Here we go. Where is it? Here we got to turn these 2 on. Then after you turn these 2 on, see from the first video that I had made, why my thing look like that? I don't even know what. Okay, I just turn this. Hold up. Okay. I don't know why my button is looking like that for. Okay, there we go. I did not see that. So yeah, you want to turn on all this, and then go back to the app. Blah blah blah. So you go to scroll and then scroll down. Turn it all the way up to 15 seconds. Or you could turn it to like 12. At least turn it to 10 or 15. I usually go to 15 or below 15. But since I did that other video, you can literally upload a video and just keep watching that same video over and let it keep scrolling. I'm finna show you. Okay, 14. Okay, so now you just push start, and then you go to the app. Why my buttons look like this? My button's not supposed to be like this. Okay, well, let's go to a video. Turn this down. Okay, I can't turn it down like this. Hold up. I gotta stop it. Okay, now I can start it back. Go back to the video. I already redeemed a couple gift cards. I think I redeemed like 2 of them. 2 of them was $10 gift cards, and it set it. Okay, let me show. I can't earn no more points right now because I did this last night. So this morning I can't do nothing right now. So let me try the app work. You do this, and then you do this. Oh no, I did the wrong way. Hold up. You make it go down. So while it's going down, it's gonna scroll down to the next video. However long the video is. You at least put it on 10 seconds or 15. I just do 10 seconds. I do 15 because the video uploaded. See, it goes to the next video. See, I can't earn the points right now because I already earned my $1 for the day. So yeah. Or you can just upload your own video. See, my video is 15 seconds long, so you could just keep, my video at least 15 seconds long. So you just basically let the app do your thing, and see, as soon as it hit the top, it refreshes. Okay, I did it wrong. I did that wrong. Hold up. What did it? Okay, did I press down or up? Okay, I don't really remember what I just did. Hold up. I haven't used it on this phone before. This phone a little different than that phone, than the other phone that I was using. See, there we go. See, and then refresh, and then you start collecting points. This is a better method, but you can add the other method that I showed you into it. See, the other method that I showed you, you had to keep refreshing it. Like you have to tap it. But now that you got this app, you don't have to do it anymore. So yeah. The app is called Easy Scroll. Look that up on the Play Store and get this app. It's easy free points.